Hi, this is Julie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to share another unboxing with you guys. Another item from Chanel, of course, and I'm so excited because this is super cool. And anyway, here's the box. I'm going to open it for you guys and show you guys how amazing this is. Okay, so here they are. How cute are these? I gotta just say, if Chanel can have a sneaker that is considered a classic, to me, these would be them. I mean, they've got a gold metal CC, Chanel on the back, quilting, white quilting at the bottom. Kind of remind me a little bit of like Nike Airs. And they also have the cap toe at the front. Super cool. And underneath is also quilted. How cute. So these were really difficult to get, I have to tell you guys. And I originally thought I needed a 38 in these because all my heels and boots are 38s, but they ran a little big. And so I ended up with a 37.5, and these actually fit perfectly. So if you were thinking about wanting to get these, I think running with your regular size, like the size that you would buy in a sneaker. So I'm in Nikes and Asics and Hoka's, I am a 7.5. And so in these Chanel's, I got a 37.5. So I hope that helps. Super cute. Even the laces are cute. Love it. Well, let me know what you guys think. I'm glad I could share this with you guys, and stay tuned for my next unboxing video. See you later.